my fabulous ladies. Sometimes it's not about what you wear, but about the little details that can completely ruin an outfit that is otherwise elegant. You might be dressed in beautiful clothes, but certain mistakes, things you don't even realize, can make your look appear less put together. Today we are talking about 10 things that cheapen your look. Just small details that instantly take away from an elegant appearance. And the best part? These are all easy to fix once you know what to look out for. If you enjoy content on elegance and style, don't forget to like this video, subscribe, and be part of this wonderful community. And now let's get started with number 1, wearing clothes with wrinkles or creases. No matter how expensive or well-tailored an outfit is, if it's wrinkled, it instantly looks cheap. Even the most luxurious fabric loses its elegance when it's covered in creases. This is one of those tiny details that makes a huge difference. It's the reason why boutiques steam their clothes before putting them on display. Because smooth, well-pressed fabric instantly looks more elegant. And what is a quick fix? Always give your outfit a once-over before heading out. A handheld steamer is a game changer. No more excuses for wrinkles, ruining a great look. And there are so many affordable and effective steamers out there now. I personally have 2 at home and a portable one, steamer/iron, that is perfect for travel, and it still does the job well. If you don't already have one, it's one of the best investments for keeping your clothes looking the best. I will link some great Amazon options in the description below, so you can find everything in one place and choose one that works for you. Number 2, visible bra straps. There is nothing that takes away from an elegant outfit faster than bra straps peeking out where they shouldn't. Even with a well put together look, an exposed strap can instantly make it feel messy and unintentional. Now, I know some outfits are designed to show a bra in a stylish way, but most of the time it just looks distracting. Imagine wearing a gorgeous, elegant dress, and then there is it, a bright colored bra strap ruining the whole aesthetic. It's distracting, and it clashes, and it instantly cheapens the whole aesthetic. A quick fix? Make sure your undergarments work with your outfit, not against it. Invest in good strapless bras, clear straps, or bras that are meant to be seen in a stylish way. If you are wearing something strapless or off the shoulder, a great strapless bra is a must. For tops with tricky cuts, adjustable or multi-way bras are the best. I will link some of my favorite solutions in the descriptions below. Number 3, visible panty lines. Panty lines, we've all seen them, and we've all probably had them at some point, including me, of course. But nothing disrupts the sleekness of an outfit more than the wrong undergarments showing through. The problem? Tight fabrics, light colors, or the wrong cut of underwear can completely ruin the silhouette of a dress, skirt, or trousers. Even expensive clothing can look cheap if the underwear are creating awkward lines. Then solution? Seamless underwear is an absolute must for fitted dresses and trousers. For lighter fabrics, a nude tone underwear that matches your skin tone is game changer. And for extra smooth coverage, shapewear works wonders. I will link my go-to seamless and shaping options below. Because when you switch to the right underwear, you will never want to go back. Number 4. Peeling fabrics. Nothing makes clothes look old and worn out faster than fabric peeling. You know those little fast balls that appear on sweaters, coats or even trousers? They make an outfit look tired even if it's brand new. Peeling happens even on high quality knitwear, wool and even cashmere. It's just part of how these fabrics wear over time. But that doesn't mean you have to walk around looking like your jumper has been through one too many washes. The good news? It's completely fixable. A fabric shaver is the easiest way to remove peeling and instantly refresh your clothes. Also, washing clothes properly helps prevent peeling. Always wash wool and knitwear with special detergent for wool and cashmere and silk on a gentle cycle and avoid fabric softener. Number 5. Heavy fake tan or patchy bronzer. A warm, sun-kissed glow looks beautiful and I love it. But when fake tan goes wrong, it instantly cheapens a look. We've all seen orange toned hands, patchy ankles and streaky bronzer that just doesn't blend well. Instead of looking effortless, it looks obvious and unnatural. And I must admit, with my tanning routine, I still have things to learn. I'm still experimenting and sometimes the results are not that great. For example, I noticed that tanning drops on my face just don't work for me really. They end up looking not natural. So, how to do it properly? Choose a gradual buildable tan rather than something too dark. I personally love Saint-Tropez, Bondi Sands and Vitaly Bervata products. And if you struggle with streaks, a good tanning mitt is a must. It helps blend seamlessly and avoid those orange patches. And if you have any great tanning tips, let me know. For bronzer, less is more. Focus on a light dusting where the sun naturally hits forehead, cheekbones and nose. Avoid heavy contouring that looks harsh rather than glowy. Number 6. Badly fitted clothing. Nothing cheapens an outfit faster than clothes that don't fit well. Whether it's too tight, too loose or just the wrong cut for your body, a poor fit instantly makes even expensive clothes look bad. Have you ever bought something because it looked stunning on the hanger, only to realize it pulls in all the wrong places or just doesn't sit right? That's why tailoring is so important. So what is the solution? Tailoring makes all the difference. If something is slightly off, maybe the sleeves are too long, the waist needs a little adjustment, or the trousers could use a proper hem. A good tailor can completely transform the way a piece fits. When shopping, pay attention to how fabrics sit on your body. Some brands cut their clothing differently, so don't get stuck on the size tag. Try different fits and see what actually flatters you. A well-fitted 50-pound dress will always look more expensive than a designer one that just doesn't sit right. Number 7. Chipped nail polish or overly long nails. Your hands say a lot about you, and messy nails can ruin the whole effect. Chipped polish nails that are too long make hands look less refined. A solution? Invest in a professional manicure. A well-done manicure not only looks elegant but lasts longer and requires less maintenance. If you prefer something more natural, a simple bath and clear coat can still make a big difference. Number 8. Worn out shoes. Shoes can make or break an outfit. You could be wearing the most beautiful, well put together look, but if your shoes are dirty or looking worn out, it instantly drags everything down. What is a quick fix? Regular maintenance. Give them a quick wipe, polish them if needed, and if they are looking too far gone, it might be time to replace them. For your leather shoes, a good polish and conditioner can bring them back to life. For suede, a suede brush and protector spray work wonders. I always use liquid proof for all suede and leather clothes and bags. Number 9. Overloading on accessories. Accessories can elevate a look, but too many at once can do just the opposite. Statement pieces are beautiful, but when there's too much going on, big earrings, chunky necklaces, oversized rings, multiple bracelets, it starts looking cluttered rather than chic. A quick fix: follow the less is more rule. Pick one or two standout pieces and let them shine. If you are wearing bold earrings, skip the necklace. If you love stacking bracelets, keep the rest of your look simple. The best way to check: before leaving the house, take a final look in the mirror. If something feels like it's too much, swapping it for a more subtle piece will always make your outfit look more refined and chic. Number 10. Messy or damaged hair. You can be dressed perfectly, but if your hair looks messy, unbrushed, or has visible damage, it takes away from the whole look. Split ends, frizz, and dull hair can make even the most expensive outfit look less polished. But of course, regular good maintenance is a must. I always recommend using professional products, hair masks and special treatments, and investing in a good hair routine. I personally like products from Olaplex and Kerastase and so many other professional brands. And for styling, I use my Dyson all the time. It's my go-to for getting a sleek look without damaging my hair. If you are blonde like me, it's even harder to maintain healthy, glossy hair. That's why I've actually made a separate video on my full blonde routine, which I will link below for you. Looking elegant isn't about how much you spend. It's about attention to detail and how you put yourself together. Even the most luxurious outfit can lose its impact if small details are overlooked. Let me know in the comments. Have you ever made any of these mistakes? Are there any details you always pay attention to in your look? I would love to hear your thoughts. And if you enjoy content on luxury, elegance and looking effortlessly chic, don't forget to like this video, subscribe and be part of this community. And for today, thank you so much for watching and I will see you in the next one.